Today we will be working on sequencing events, so you will need workbook pages 201 and 202, lesson 8.6. So today we're going to be talking about these words, next, last, and first, or to put those in order correctly, first, next, and last. We're familiar with these words because we use them when we were doing our how-to writing, but these are also math terms. And we use these words when we're sequencing things, okay? So, for example, we wrote about brushing our teeth and we said, first you get out your toothbrush, next you put the toothpaste on, and last you brush your teeth and rinse, okay? So we're going to look at some pictures here and determine what comes first, what comes next, and what comes last. And the way we're going to do this, rather than using the words, is we're going to use 1, 2, 3 to write our steps in order, okay? So if we look at this top picture, we have a little baby bird who has been hatched. So we know that a baby bird starts out as an egg, okay? So that's our first step. Next, the baby starts to hatch and he comes out of that egg, and then finally he's completely out of the shell. Okay, so first, next, and last. Okay, now let's look down here at the pictures of the chrysalis, the caterpillar, and the butterfly. So we have to think about what comes first in the stage of a butterfly's life. Well, the first stage would be a caterpillar. That's what happens first. So let's put a 1 by that. After the caterpillar stage, we have the chrysalis stage, or the cocoon. So this would be number 2. And finally, the butterfly hatches out of the chrysalis, and his wings open, and then eventually his wings are strong enough for him to fly away. So 1, 2, and 3. All right, let's flip our page over. And on this side, you're going to need scissors and glue. And I'm not going to be able to cut out on the computer, so I'm just going to kind of talk you through these, all right? And we have those words we discussed, first, next, and last, or 1, 2, and 3, okay?